Stone out here, and with Will Skilcraft, and obviously my friend Will here. We're back at Merwin Nature Preserve, Parklands Foundation outside Lexington, Illinois. Gonna hike some more trails and check it out. Still hiking. Merwin Memorial Canoe Trail. Where's it go? It's kind of a chilly October morning. It's October 7th. It's a Monday. It's cool. So I'm a little lost. I don't know where. Is there a path? Where? Oh, okay. Oh, I see. There's a detour around that fallen tree. At least there's no bugs. A couple old spider webs, but I'm not too worried about them now. Ain't no spiders in them now. Yeah. Why is it so shaky? Sorry for all that shakiness. Something's wrong with my little selfie stick that I'm using as a ghetto gimbal because I'm poor. Still saving for the AT. Will's cold. The trail kind of disappeared to nowhere, so we're headed back to the car. We're going to go back to the part of Merwin that we're familiar with to get to the other trails that we were trying to check out later, blah, 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 blah. Back at the west gate of Merwin Nature Preserve, Parklands Foundation, outside Lexington, Illinois. We're going to check out some more trails. No dogs. There's some dog haters. My coworker actually found a cat out here. I think she named it after Merwin. So that was cool when I found that out. I was like, hey, I love those trails. It's nice to be back out here. I love this trail. I didn't see one piece of garbage out here, not one other person. It was great. Talking about Freddy's gonna get me. I'm awake. They said, fine, Jason. I said, there's no lake. Gotta tell ya, it's almost Halloween and I'm really excited. I'm gonna check out a haunted trail and share it with you if I can too. along a creek. We were just high above it. It was off to the right. It's down over that way, up over that ridge. Squirrel! Look at that bench. Yeah, we went that way last time and then we came back this way. But this way is where we left off last time, and we turned around and came back, and remember there was a lot more trails. That's where I'm trying to go. We're taking the shortcut back because screw that. They are already starting to change a little. Some trees more than others. A big old tree. Hi, son. Another bench. This is where we left off last time. So North Gate is this way. And obviously we came from the West Gate, which is back that way. Let's check out the North Gate. It's massive. For this area anyway. It's pretty. Hell is that, a solar powered bird feeder? Oh. I don't know what it is. It's kind of bumpy. Pretty out here in Merwin. Back to this fork up here. Kind of want to go left. Just want to stop at the bench and take a small little break and take some drinks and all that.